Hey guys, welcome to my channel, GoHikeTravel.com. We just arrived at Queens Beach near Nin. But there's also another little beach. So if you pass the first cafe, you're gonna be traveling down this little road. You're not gonna know what it is. But further down, so there's gonna be a road like this. They're telling me there's another cafe, but it is only walking distance, no cars traveled. So we're gonna have a sneak peek at what's here. If you've reached this cafe, this is your view. And I believe this is the better side of Queens Beach. Better views of the mountains, the water, and you got the mud behind you.